How to enable or disable TikTok activity status. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to enable or disable your TikTok activity status. But before I do, please consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. So to get to the activity status feature on TikTok, open up the TikTok app and then head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then tap the menu icon in the top right hand corner. Select settings and privacy. And now again tap on privacy. Here you'll see an option for the activity status feature. To enable activity status, tap the switch to turn it on. When the switch turns green, activity status is enabled. When activity status is on, you will be able to see when your friends who also have the activity status enabled are active on TikTok, and they will be able to see when you are active also. If you decide you don't want people to be able to see when you're active on TikTok, tap the switch again to disable activity status. When the switch turns grey, activity status is disabled. And that's all it takes to enable or disable TikTok activity status. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.